Hello, let's review graphing inequalities on number lines. So we're supposed to graph each inequality on a number line. Absolute value inequalities will go in two directions or have two possible answers because the absolute value of a positive number is a positive number and the absolute value of a negative number is also positive. So the first thing we're going to do is write the problem like it is. And then when we write its negative version, we're going to flip the inequality sign and the number. So negatives do quirky things that way. We're going to go ahead and solve everywhere. So 4x is greater than 8 and 4x is less than negative 2. Divide by 4. X is greater than 2 and x is less than negative 1/2. So greater than 2 is right here, and less than negative 1/2 is right there. All the numbers underneath here will work, and all the numbers under the left arrow will work. 0 should not work. So if we test real quick, if I take 0, put it up here, 4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. 3 is not bigger than 5, so that is correct here. If I pick on a number under here, like 4, so if I take 4, put it up here, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 minus 3 is 13, the absolute value of 13 is 13, and 13 is bigger than 5. And if I pick one under here, how about negative 4? Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16, minus 3 is negative 19. The absolute value of that is 19. 19 is bigger than 5. So this is our solution right here. All right, this one here, we have an x squared, an x, and somebody without. Whenever we have that situation, we need to factor. I need two numbers that multiply to 5 and add to 6. Set each part equal to 0. So I will get x equals negative 5 and x equals negative 1. We will have closed circles. And we have 3 regions to test. So let's start on the right side. If I try 0 into this problem, I'll have 0 plus 0, all that 0 plus 5. 5 is not smaller than 0, so my arrow does not go this way because 0 doesn't work. Let's try another one over here. How about we pick on negative 3? So if I pick on negative 3 and I plug it in here, this will be 9, this will be minus 18, and that's plus 5. So here's negative 9. 9 minus 18 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. And sure enough, negative 4 is less than 0. So that works. So that means that we're covering this area here for sure. Now the question is, do I keep going here or am I stopping at this spot? So let's pick a number that would be over here. How about negative 7? So if I try negative 7, if I put negative 7 here, negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. Negative 7 times 6 is 42, and then plus 5. So 49 minus 42 is 7, plus 5 is 12. That is not less than 0. So this is going to stop right here. So we use guess and check to figure out where our lines are when we have these type of problems. And then we can actually write it now, and typically they would write it like this. Starting from the left, negative 5 is less than or equal to a number, and that number is less than or equal to negative 1. That's it. Thank you.